Hello guys, this is Bisai. Today our topic is chemical properties of alkenes. The first one, acid catalyzed hydration. The second one, hydroboration followed by oxidation. And the third one, oxymercuration and demercuration. So these three conditions just applying any one alkene. How? Now first, acid catalyzed hydration. So in acid catalyzed hydration, the substrate is alkene. Substrate alkene, and the reagent H2SO4 in presence of water molecule. That is acid catalyzed hydration. Hydration means simple addition of water molecule. Correct? Yes. Next. And this reaction follows rearrangement and ring expansion takes place. Why? Because the stable intermediate carbocation will be formed in between the chemical reaction. That's why rearrangement and ring expansion takes place. Ring expansion means small ring to bigger one. That is 3-membered ring to 4-membered ring, 4-membered ring to 5-membered ring. That is ring expansion. So ring expansion, comma, rearrangement reactions, reaction takes place due to the formation of stable intermediate carbocation. Correct? Ring expansion rearrangement reactions takes place. Why? Because the intermediate carbocation will be formed. Okay. So these are the very important points in acid catalyzed hydration. Correct? And finally follows Markovnikov's rule. So these 4 points are very important in acid catalyzed hydration. Now the applications of acid catalyzed hydrations. Now the first application I am taking CH3 CH double bond CH2 with a H plus ion with water molecule. What is the product here? CH3 CH2 CH2 OH. Another product will be CH3 CH OH CH3. Correct? Out of these two, which one is the major product? So this is what minor product, and this one will be major product. Major product means maximum yield secondary alcohol, less yield primary alcohol. Correct? Now the mechanism of the above application. Now this is the reactant species. What is the IUPAC name of this molecule? Here now the numbering order 1, 2, 3. Correct? Lowest sum rule. We have to prefer first double bond. Correct? So double bonded carbon having 1, the next carbon 2 and 3. So according to IUPAC nomenclature, 1 prop, double bond is there, 1 propane means yield one protein. One protein. This is the effect of this molecule. Now for this reactant, just first I am taking H plus ion. So we know that pi bond is also acts as a nucleophile, and this is electrophile. Nucleophiles means electron rich species. Electrophile means electron deficient species. Electron rich means releases electron to where is electron deficient. Correct? So these pi electrons donated to this proton. Then CH3, CH, CH2. Here positive charge. Why? Because if this pi bond moves towards this direction, this will be formed. Correct? If this pi bond moves towards this direction, one more product also possible. Here this is CH3, CH2, CH2 plus. Why? Because here if H plus ion attack on this one, this will be positive. So this is primary carbocation. This is secondary carbocation. Primary carbocation, secondary carbocation. But we know that the stability of carbocation is tertiary carbocation is most stable compared to secondary carbocation than primary carbocation. What is this? This is the stability order. This is what? The stability order. Stability order. This is tertiary. Why? Because here secondary carbocation, primary carbocation. Out of these two, which one is the most stable? Secondary carbocation will be the most stable one. That's why always we know that the major product coming from most stable intermediate carbocation. So the product comes from this most stable carbocation will be major one. So further, the attacking species water molecule, this water molecule donated electrons to this carbocation. Now CH3, CH, here OH, now CH3. This is what? Major product. Why? Because this is more stable carbocation. More stable carbocation. This is less stable. So after attacking water molecule, the product will be CH3, CH2, CH2, OH2. This is what? Minor product. So this is the mechanism of acid catalyzed hydration. Correct? The second application, CH3, CH, CH3, CH double bond, CH2, here H plus in water molecule. Correct? The product here is CH3, C, CH3, OH, CH2, CH3. This is the major product. How does product formed from the following reactants? Correct? Now the mechanism is after attacking H plus, these pi electrons move towards the direction. Now CH3, CH, CH3, here positive charge. We know that this is this is secondary carbocation. Is there any possible for the formation of tertiary carbocation? Yes. After rearrangement of this hydride shift, H minus shift, H minus hydride ion shift, then CH3, C, CH3, here positive charge, again CH2, CH3. This is what tertiary carbocation. Compared to secondary carbocation, tertiary carbocation is the most stable intermediate. So more stable. So this is what less stable. So tertiary carbocation is the more stable. So after attacking water molecule here, then the product is OH group, CH3, CH2, CH3. This is the product. So this is the mechanism of this application. Correct? For this acid catalyzed hydration is CH3, C, CH3, CH3, CH double bond CH3. Same H plus water molecule. Please practice this application also. The product is CH3, C, CH3, OH, CH, CH3, CH3. Okay? Practice this one. And the fourth one is ring expansion examples. For this one, H plus ion in water molecule how this product formed from this reactant means the first mechanism. You know, as usual, this pi electrons it acts on this one, then here positive charge, this is secondary carbocation. After rearrangement of these sigma bonding electrons towards this carbocation, then 5-member ring will be formed, and further here carbocation, again this is secondary carbocation. After rearrangement of this hydride shifted, H minus shifted, then here carbocation, this is tertiary carbocation. That's why after attacking water molecule having lone pairs, the product will be formed. Okay? This is the mechanism of ring expansion. For this is what? Ring expansion. Ring expansion takes place here.